Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a package from CJD, Chris's Junkyard Designs in New York State. Chris let me know that this was on the way, so I've been tracking the package. Thanks for your generosity, Chris. I know it's not cheap to mail things overseas to me in Switzerland. It just arrived, and I got right to opening it up on camera. Inside, you'll see these great looking stickers from the YouTube channel and a couple of extras. Thanks for those. And here's a little note. Andrew, hope you enjoy the customs I made for you. Absolutely love your channel and your work. I've learned a lot from your videos. Keep up the great content. From Chris. Thank you for the kind words. Chris, I appreciate that very much. I sure enjoy your channel too. Let's see what's inside now. Two main packages. Okay, that's a custom size box inside the wrap. Now there's an acrylic case. This is ninja level packaging, Chris. More bubble wrap. And the car's inside a bag. I've never seen these done so well. Wow. Oh, the word's out that I'm a Porsche man. Oh, yeah, the Gasland's job. Looking very dangerous. Guns on the side, rocket launchers on the top. It's a 911 GT2. Wheel protection on there. Great patina. Chris, you did a super job on this. I think that's right in your wheelhouse there. And it's on magnets, so it is fastened to the diorama, which is also very nicely done for the wastelands. Look at that. Cool idea. I'm going to do that. Magnets on the bottom of the car. Snap on. Oh yeah. Chris, that's outstanding work. I really like it. In fact, I love it. Alright, I'm going to put a link in the description to Chris's YouTube channel so you can go by and check that out. He is a prolific uploader. You never have to wait long for the next video to drop. He participates in lots of challenges and he's just a very talented artist. So I want to endorse that channel and be sure you go by and give him a hello and get all subbed up there and tell him you came by from MapleLeaf Customs, okay? Thank you. The second one, also superbly wrapped, is another surprise Porsche. This is a 935. Look at the nice work on that. This was Chris's entry to the Canada Day build-off that I hosted back in July. All the cars had to be in the Canadian flag colors of red and white. Beautiful glossy finish on there. Chris puts a CJD on the bottom of each one. Some chassis detail was done. Great looking wheels and another magnetized diorama with the car brand right on it. So cool. Well, these will sit right on the same hobby desk, Chris, in display. You see a couple of my others in the background there in the cases. I don't collect any of my own, so I'm sure glad to get these from others like yourself. Thanks so much again. Now for the ceremonial application of the CJD YouTube channel sticker. Right there was a perfect spot in the corner. I'm going to put this car on there too. Look at that. Alright, this cutting mat is full, but don't let that stop anyone from sending me your channel stickers. I love them. Please don't forget, October 15th is the Diecast Day of Giving. Your chance to be a blessing and be blessed. Thanks for visiting my channel today. It's coffee time.